Here's something I can fix in Loyall. I spoke to an HVAC professional who travels the county working on heat pumps. And he said if he comes to Loyall, he automatically has to pay $100 to work on a heat pump for a permit to the city of Loyall. How I can fix that as mayor is by taking no salary. That salary will automatically go to cover things like this. By partnering with CSX Railroad, we can make that roundhouse over there a historical site. And a lot of people love trains, which increases tourism. That's one of the last roundhouses in the state of Kentucky. Here's something else I found. By making Loyall a historic site, this is available. Grants, funding, revitalization, preservation grants. We can do this. So speaking of historic places and tourism, Loyall is a prime spot. We are right off Highway 119. That's the major road into Harlan. Why can we not do this? Why can we not get grant funding for these roads? So that's what I plan. That's what I can do. Why do we never see groups coming in to help people fix their homes? Why do we never see that? The ones we do see are like from CAA, things like that. But there are groups everywhere that would love to come here and help people. Why are they not here? Why are we not getting them? There's something else I can do. So there's just a few things that we can do. And there's so much opportunity for Loyall. And together, we can do this. I thank you for your vote.